In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a page in Canva. Hiding a page is really useful when you're working on a multi-page design, but you don't want every single page to appear in your final download or presentation. Maybe you're testing out a different layout, saving notes for later, or keeping an alternate version you don't want to delete yet. Instead of removing it completely, you can simply hide it, which keeps your design organized and flexible. First, make sure you have your design open in Canva. This could be anything with more than one page: a presentation, a document, a social media carousel, or a multi-page PDF. At the bottom or side of your screen, you'll see your page thumbnails, each representing a different page in your design. To hide a page quickly, move your mouse over the page you want to hide. Look for a small eye icon that appears above or near that page thumbnail. This eye icon controls the visibility of that page in your final output. Go ahead and click on the eye icon. Once you click it, the page will be marked as hidden. Depending on your Canva layout, the thumbnail may look slightly dimmed or show some indication that it's no longer visible in the final design. The page is still there in your project. It just won't show up when you download or present. If you don't see the eye icon right away, or you prefer using a menu, there's another way to hide the page. Move your cursor over the page thumbnail you want to hide, then right-click on it. This opens a small menu with several options. In that menu, look for the option labeled Hide and click it. As soon as you select Hide, that page will be treated the same way as before. It remains in your design for editing, but is excluded from the final output. You can repeat these same actions for any other pages you want to hide, and if you ever change your mind, simply click the eye icon again to unhide the page, or right-click and choose the appropriate option to make it visible once more. That's all there is to it. By using the eye icon or the right-click hide option, you can manage which pages appear in your Canva downloads and presentations without deleting anything.